Cool Industries. We're on a 2016 street light over here, and the frame's bananas. We've already made some pulls back here to straighten out the back of it, and a little work up in front. But if you come back and you can look, it looks like the wheel is leaning this way. And that's because the bike is banana, the frame is still bent over here. And I'm getting ready to pull it. So when I pull it, and I pull the lower part of the neck and the neck, it's going to bring the frame over where this wheel is no longer leaning to one side, it'll be straight up and down. However, it does have that funky ass stabilizer link that should be adjustable. That way it'll align your motor, because this thing's just leaning. So let's get this party started. Look at that. Hoorah. There we go. Okay, let's stand back, see if this moved at all. You see anything there? The targets were like this before, but now they're even. See, because it's got everything to do, the back swing arm has everything to do with the frame. So we're going to go ahead and, in fact, I think I'm pretty much done with this for right now. I just want to release the pressure on this, and then go ahead and see what happens here. Here we go. Oh. Coming along just fine. Just fine. I got to check it out. Look at this. Wow. What a big difference that is, huh? More pulls on this, and we're going to have it done. All right, let's go.